Yeah, hi everyone, welcome back to our channel ServiceNow by Veda Technologies. So today we are going to be discussed regarding the job openings on ServiceNow and automation testing. So let us go through the ServiceNow developer jobs. So job title would be ServiceNow developer and admin, and location is Pune. So notice period they are offering is immediate joiners, and experience they are expecting from the candidate is 5 years. So these are all the main responsibilities like manage and maintain the ServiceNow platform, including ITSM and ITOM, dashboards and reports, performance analytics, knowledge-based source, SecOps, and more. So implement and configure ServiceNow advanced capabilities like virtual agent, agent intelligence, performance analysis, ITOM, and discovery service mapping. So these are all the major roles and responsibilities that candidate should have. So you can send your resumes to this mail ID if you are interested for the job opening, like prachi.patil@hataki1tara.com. So coming to the next job opening here, role would be ServiceNow developer. They are looking for immediate joiner and modules that candidate should have experience in CSM, ITSM, ITOM, HRSD, and SPM. So it would be a full-time job type, and location would be Noida, Hyderabad, and Jaipur. They are offering for, and job role would be ServiceNow developer consultant, and preferred module is CSM. So certifications required are CSA and CAD required. So this is the job description, and these are all the key responsibilities like involved in developing, designing, and supporting technical solutions on the ServiceNow platform. So with other IT services, maintain and technical support using best practice web programming. So these are all the qualifications like 1 to 3 years of experience of ServiceNow application development or product implementation experience, and expert in a ServiceNow administration, configuration and development like modules, ITSM, CMDB, KB experience are required. So expert in developing ServiceNow business rules includes UI actions, schedule jobs, and ServiceNow client and server-side scripting, and work experience with ServiceNow modules like PPM, CSM, ITOM, ITBM, ITSM. So responsible for technical specification and implementation of ServiceNow integration with third-party tool systems. Like these are all the major qualifications they are looking for. So if you have these skills and if you are interested for the job opening, you can send your resumes to anjali.s@lmconsulting.com, or else you can follow Anjali Singh and you can send your resumes to her directly. So coming to the next job opening here, like ServiceNow developer, and client is Infosys. Experience they are expecting from the candidates 10 years, and this is the job roles are like a ServiceNow CSM senior developers who can take ownership and deliver with valid ServiceNow CAD and CSM certifications. So there may be multi rounds of interviews. So these are all the major responsibilities like strong experience in ServiceNow ITOM and ITSM modules with ServiceNow implementation certification. Needs someone like who can set up drive and AI DevOps. So have experience with CMDB. So should be flexible with work in global delivery modules with REST and team base out of the shore. So if you are interested for the job opening, and you can send your resumes to Mahendra, or else you can follow him. So you can follow Mahendra Mahi and you can send your resumes to him directly. So coming to the next job opening, role would be ServiceNow developer, and experience they are expecting from the candidates 5 to 8 years of experience, and location would be Pune location. So this is the job description. So these are all the requirements like 5 years of experience in ServiceNow development, configuration and administration experience in like working with stakeholders to manage the creation and customization of core applications such as service request, incident, problem, change, and CMDB, etc. So, administration a ServiceNow instance, including group and user maintenance like UI actions, catalog items, etc. So, they are looking for self-managed management with excellent problem solving skills and communication skills. So if you have these skills and if you are interested for this particular job opening, you can send your resumes to core mamit at the rate net2source.coin, or else you can follow mamit core and you can send your resumes to him directly. So coming to the next job opening, role will be ServiceNow developer. So they are expecting modules like ITOM and asset management, and location would be Hyderabad location they are offering for, and they are expecting 5 to 8 years of experience from the candidate. So this is the job description here. So they are expecting programming and scripting, JavaScript essential for customizing the ServiceNow platform, and understanding of industry 4.0 concepts such as IoT, automation, and smart manufacturing. So ServiceNow developer certification is mandatory. They are expecting from the candidate. Yeah. If you have these skills and if you're interested for this job opening, you can send your resumes to fanindra@synergy.com. So coming to the next job opening, role would be ServiceNow developer, and work experience they are expecting from the candidates 5 to 16 years of experience they are expecting. Like work location would be pan India location, and there is a virtual mode of interview, and notice period they are offering is 90 days, like 3 months of notice period they are offering for. So if you have like experience in ServiceNow developer scripting integration, ITSM, CSM, ITOM, HRSD, GRC. So you can send your resumes to Soumya@vysystem.com, or else you can send your resumes through WhatsApp also. This is her WhatsApp number. So you can go through this job description. If you're interested for the job opening, you can send your resumes to her directly. So coming to the next job opening here, like role would be ServiceNow developer, and module they are expecting from the candidates ITOM, ITM, and location is Hyderabad location they are offering for. So these are all the major like responsibilities that candidate should have, like strong understanding of ServiceNow data modules, integration methods, REST, SOAP, and performance optimization techniques, and familiarity with ITIL's principles and related governance frameworks, and ServiceNow certified system administration CSA, like CAD. So if you have these skills and if you're interested for the job opening, so you can send your resumes to Sai Prakash at the rate blackroastsolutions.com, or else you can follow Prakash Reddy and you can send your resumes to him directly. So let us go through the automation testing jobs now. So coming to the first job opening on automation testing, like they are looking for automation testing with mobile application and API. So experience they're expecting from the candidates 5 years of experience. Location is Bangalore location they are offering for. So they need immediate joiner. And if you have these skills like Java, APM, REST, Azure, automation framework, and automation testing with 5 years of experience, so you can send your resumes to pratiksha.sangani@itinfotech.com. So coming to the next job opening here, like role would be automation test engineer at Exaver Solutions. So location would be Chennai or Pune location, and experience they are expecting from the candidates 4 to 9 years of experience, and immediate joiner they are looking for. So these are all the key skills and requirements, like automation testing using Selenium and Java, hands-on experience with testing and POM, experience with 4 to 9 years of relevant role. Like, so if you are interested for this particular job opening, you can send your resumes to Naveen Sivaswamy by following him. They didn't give in any email details, so you can follow Naveen Sivaswamy and you can send your resumes to him. So coming to the next job opening, role would be automation testing. So location is KL Malaysia, and duration they are expecting like 12 months or renewable contract, and experience they are expecting from the candidates 8 years of experience. And this is the job description. Like a candidate should have testing tools like Selenium WebDriver, Java, BDD, Cucumber, and secondary skills they are expecting from the candidate database, SOAP UI, JMeter, Jira, Jenkins. So if you have these skills and if you are interested for the job opening, you can send your resumes to sambasiva.d@decimals.com. So coming to the next job opening, the role would be Tosca automation tester. So if you are if you have experience in Tosca APM testing, minimum experience is 3 years of experience they are expecting from the candidate. So these are all the main job description, experience in Tosca test suite with navigation and streaming capabilities, experience in DB testing, and understanding of database and being able to design queries is a plus, hands-on test case creation management and execution of quality assurance testing. So these are all the major skills they are expecting from the candidate. So if you are interested for the job opening, you can send your resumes to pranav.kohli@helpus.in. So coming to the next job opening is automation performance tester of Selenium and Java, and looking for a senior QA 10 years of experience in automation from the scratch and performance testing Selenium and JMeter. So job location would be Technopark, Trivandrum, and they are looking for immediate joiners from Kerala location. So if you are interested for the job opening, you can send your resumes to induleka@haspace.com, or else you can follow Hinduleka and you can send your resumes to her directly. Yeah, so that's all for today's topic. Thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe our channel ServiceNow Veda Technologies. Thank you.